Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, how to filter segments per status. If you would like to see segments with a certain status only, you can create a view. To do so, open your local project, select the documents where you want to extract segments from, go to the Documents ribbon, and click on the button Create View. Once there, give your view a name, and select the option Only Rows That Are. Click on the drop-down menu, and select the status of the segment you'd like to extract. I will go with Not Confirmed to be able to see all the segments that I have not completed yet. Your view will be available in the View tab, and everything you will translate there will be populated in the actual document where that very segment appears. If you'd like to check it, you can click on the Jump To option and then click on Yes. You will be sent to the document where that segment comes from. Thanks for watching.